about simple techniques to observe the annular solar eclipse. This year, we are going to observe a partial solar eclipse on June 21st, coming Sunday. The timings for seeing in Tamil Nadu are: the solar eclipse starts between 10:15 am to 10:30 am. The maximum screening time is 11:45 am to 12 noon, and it ends between 1:30 pm to 1:45 pm. So, should we need to go for an accurate timing for seeing the solar eclipse in a location means, in Google search for annular solar eclipse app and install it in your desktop or laptop. In mobile, search for annular solar eclipse app and install it. This is the link if you can't able to identify in Google search, or scan it with your mobile QR code scanner. By this app, you can able to identify the correct timings of solar eclipse in your current location, or you can also identify the accurate time by using this link, or scan it with your QR code scanner in your mobile. So, how to see safely? It is very dangerous to see a solar eclipse with our naked eyes or by wearing ordinary sun goggles. We can make mirror images or screen images of the sun with simple equipments like solar projector, pinhole camera, either simple or adjustable. Can use an ordinary paper or chart with pinholes through which we can see the shadow of the sun. Can use sweep, used for sweeping off. Can also use to see the shadow of the sun. So these are the simple equipments with low cost, and even you can also make by your own in your home itself. This is a solar projector. This is a simple pinhole camera. This is adjustable pinhole camera, and this is a chart with pinhole, and these are skews which can be received with by means of small holes which should be present in that any kitchen items which is available in your home. The first one is how to make solar projector. We need materials like plastic ball with at least a minimum of 1 millimeter diameter, sellotape, double-sided tape, paper cone, sand or rice, cutter or scissor. Make it ready before doing the project. So the first thing is we need to take the ball and cut a small hole like this by means of the cutter. Then pour some soil by means of this paper funnel which can be made by you in the home. So that why we need to do this is to make the ball stable when I have been placing to see the solar eclipse. Then we need to create a frame for the mirror what we are having. So the size of the mirror should be measured. The same size of curtain piece should be also cut out, and a black chart is to be ready in the back side. So we need to paste some gum over the mirror, and it should be pasted on the curtain piece. After that, we need a small margin of black chart over this of the size which is to be extra over the curtain piece. Then we need to measure the mirror length. So if it is 4 centimeter means, then we need to reduce the compass size with pencil to 2 centimeter to draw a circle in the black chart. After that, make a margin like this with pencil, then put a plus mark so that we can able to have a center point. Then we need to cut the edges which is wasted or not needed. Then we need to fold that plus mark with one line here, then the other line here, then we will get this fold like this. So take the scissor and cut it over the line. So we can get a round hole like this in that black chart. Now paste the gum over here and paste it over the mirror what we are having in a curtain piece. After that, turn the curtain piece. Also fold the black chart which has been pasted in the front side, also in the back side also you can paste it. So finally we will be having a frame like mirror like this. this slide, I'll show that how to see that. First, we need to paste a double side tape over the frame and place it on the ball. Now we can able to see that the ball which is frame can project sun's image in the black chart. By this way we can able to see the solar eclipse very clearly without directly looking over it. It's a very simplest method of projecting the sun. The next one is a simple pinhole camera. It's very easy. So we need some materials like trace paper or butter paper, a black chalk, gum, waste cotton box minimum of 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, that is any available box minimum of this size, then pin or needle. So after this, a black chart should be pasted over the box what we have been having. In the same way, one side we need to have a into mark so that we can get a center point. From that we need to make a pinhole here. The other side should be pasted with a trace paper like this. When I am seeing towards image or light over this, the inverted image of that light can be seen here. Even we can make more dots over the other side so that we will be having some designs like this. And this is a video. I am seeing a sun through this simple pinhole camera. So by this way the shadow is been inside. So that shadow formed inside this pinhole simple can be seen for the solar eclipse. The next one is adjustable pinhole camera. It's a bit complex process. The same thing, what are the materials required? We need is trace paper, a long size scale, pin, cutter, scissor, gum, and a white pencil, black chalk. First we need to take a big chalk, black chalk like this, and to measure 30 centimeter of one side and the remaining 24 centimeter on the other side. Then we need to fold over that marking where we have been marked 30 centimeter in the center and 24 centimeter here. So we have been folding that and we have been cutting that side. So we will be having one big black chalk and another one is small chalk. Now we need to put some edges with 2 centimeter gap and draw a line like this in the left hand side of a 30 centimeter chart. So the same way we also need to leave 2 centimeter the top side of the chart so that the upper side of the 30 centimeter big side chart should be marked with 2 centimeter. The remaining smaller chart the same way, but here we need to listen carefully. We need again the same way 2.5 centimeter here, not 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter in the small chart, and the bottom side 2 centimeter should be drawn. So next thing is we need to fold. The first fold by leaving this 2 centimeter like this. Again we need to fold the same way. The 2 centimeter gap should be leaven. So we will be having 4 flips here, and we need to paste it like this, and we need to cut flips like this, and this will be having foldings like this. The same way the second black chart is also to be done, and in the edges we will be having gum, and the gum should be pasted here. With finally we will be having a box, and the box is pasted. We will be having the flips over here. The second chart is also cut like this. Finally we will be having a product like this, the 2 boxes. The first box should be folded inside so that we will be having a square hole in the center. The other box is totally opened. Now take a small piece of black chart, cut it to the size of this outer side of the box and paste it here. So like this way we will paste it here. The second thing is we need to have a trace paper. Is not a necessary thing. If you are not having handy, we can make a trace paper in the home itself. Just add some oil over a paper and spread it over. We will be getting a trace paper like paper. So after that, the second box will be pasting the gum all over the sides and paste the trace paper over here. So it will be like this. This paper should be closely cutted over so that when you have been folding, it will not have a smaller gap. We should have at least a gap like this so that the image which is seen here will be visible. So we will be pasting it with the gum. The first box we need to put a pin hole so that we will be marking a gap, strike marks, cross marks, and we'll be getting a center point. Then we'll be putting it with point, and the second box will be with trace paper. So this box is, the front view is like this and the back view is like this, and the second box there will be a trace paper like this and the back side it will be of like this. So we should insert the trace paper like this way, so it will be adjustable. So the final product will be like this, the pinhole in the front side, and the trace paper should be inserted, so that there will be a gap. By means of eyes we can able to view the sun. Side of the pinhole camera will be like this, so we can able to see the shadows. So by this way we can also see sun's image. This is another method we can able to see the solar eclipse. Finally, on Sunday we are going to enjoy a partial solar eclipse. So try to make your own simple materials like this and enjoy the annular solar eclipse. Thank you.